Skyrocket. You're learning, master the Socratic Method like a pro. Ever feel like studying is just memorizing facts and hoping they stick? What if I told you there's a way to level up your learning, think critically, and actually have fun while studying? Enter the Socratic Method, the ultimate hack for unlocking your inner genius. Forget boring lectures and passive note-taking. This method puts you in control of your learning. Ready to shake things up? Let's dive in. What is the Socratic Method? Imagine studying as a detective game where you don't just accept facts. You question, analyze, and dig deeper. The Socratic Method is all about asking thought-provoking questions that challenge what you know, spark curiosity, and help you truly understand a subject instead of just memorizing it. Think of it as turning your brain into a problem-solving machine. Here's how to use the Socratic Method to study smarter. 1. Ask big questions. Instead of just reading your notes, stop and ask yourself, why does this matter? What happens if this idea is wrong? How does this connect to what I already know? The more questions you ask, the deeper your understanding gets. 2. Challenge what you think you know. Don't just accept what's in the textbook. Play devil's advocate. Ask yourself, is there another way to look at this? Could the opposite be true? This forces your brain to think beyond memorization and see different perspectives. 3. Turn study sessions into mini debates. Team up with a friend and challenge each other with why and how questions. Instead of just reviewing flashcards, question each other's answers. It'll help you remember information better and actually enjoy studying. 4. Connect ideas like a pro. Knowledge isn't just a list of facts, it's a network of ideas. Use mind maps or diagrams to see how different concepts are connected. The more links you create, the easier it is to recall information during exams. 5. Apply what you learn to real life. Studying history? Ask yourself, how does this event relate to what's happening today? Learning science? How do these principles show up in everyday life? The more you relate knowledge to real-world scenarios, the easier it is to remember. Why the Socratic Method is a game changer for students. You stay engaged, no more boring, passive studying. Your critical thinking skyrockets. You stop memorizing and start truly understanding. You become a better communicator. Explaining your ideas clearly makes you smarter. It makes learning fun. Seriously, it's like unlocking cheat codes for your brain. The bottom line, friends? The Socratic Method isn't just for philosophers. It's the ultimate student life hack. By questioning, debating, and connecting ideas, you'll not only learn faster, but also think deeper and remember more. So next time you study, don't just read, question everything. Are you ready to think like a genius? Let's go!